Hi, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. In this channel, we provide information related to government-related procedures and schemes that you can follow and apply for documents and schemes in a much more easier way. We would recommend please do subscribe to this channel. It would help us create more videos of this kind, and also any information that we provide would reach you in a much more faster way. So in this video, we are going to look into how to change or update address in your social security system. So we have provided all the information in this page, and the link to this page is provided in the description of this video. You can click on it, you can scroll down and you can click on the link and it would take you to this page. So in this page we have provided information related to how to apply online and how to apply in person. So first we will look into how to apply online. So if you click on this link here, it would take you to this page here. Okay. And also another thing is everything that I'm explaining in this video right now is listed down in steps here, which you can follow and apply or update. So in this page, if you click on this link here, it would take you to this page. Here, you look for this icon. You click on that icon and you click on login to My.SSS. So that would open up a new page for you. In this page, you enter your user ID, password, and then if you have your user ID and if you have your password, enter the user ID and password and click on sign in. If you are a new member to this portal, you click on no account yet, create now. It would take you to a new page. You choose. It would provide you with options like member, employee, household, coverage, and collection partners. You choose on one of these options and it would take you to the appropriate pages for you to register. And once you register, you come back to the page, to the login page. Click on login and enter your credentials and login. So once you have logged in, look for e-services tab in the menu and select request for member data change. So select which type of data change you are applying for. That's we are looking for updating the address. Enter the correct updated information, and then once you update the information, the system would request you for certain documents to be uploaded to confirm the address change. So you upload the documents that is requested and click on submit, and an SMS would be an SM, oh, sorry, email would be sent to you for member data changes approved or not, and you have to follow through the process to get this to get it updated. And generally it takes 3 to 5 days for it to get updated. So that's the online way of applying or updating. If you're not comfortable applying online, you could always approach the nearest Social Security Systems office. So you click on this link here, it would take you to this page here. You select the region, branch, and enter probably the place where you're living right now and click on search. And it would list you the nearest SSS office in your area. You could approach them and you just have to let the authorities know that you would like to update your address in the SSS. They would provide you an application form. So we have given a link here which also has the application form. Like once you click on this link, you would be provided with this application form, which is a member data change request. You could use this application form, or you could also get the application form from the authorities. You have to fill up the application form and you have to attach photocopies of the required documents which has the updated information, like in terms of updated address, um, with some documents that you have, and you also have to submit those documents along with the application form with a fee. and once it's submitted, the authorities would look into it, and the application would be started. They would start processing your application, and it would take 3 to 5 days for it to be processed. As you scroll down in this page, we have provided other informations like required documents, office locations, and eligibility, who can apply, validity, and informations, which might help you for making this application in a much more easier way. Uh, we hope that we have provided enough information in this video that would help you. We would recommend, please do like this video and give us do subscribe to us, subscribe to this channel, which would help us create more videos of this kind. Thanks for watching.